Bitcoin screams to the upside this weekend, testing that $86,000 level. But with price versus money flow high and after receiving a sell signal, we may just be dropping. However, this is likely to be temporary, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why that is. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we have 284 successful trade calls with 0 losses in our membership trades. We have a ton of new members. Guys, thank you for everyone that joined. New member Monday here. Dominic, Anna, Michelle, Craig, Lindy, Elizabeth, Connie, Jeff, Gerada, Lyle, Terry, Robert, Meckelin, Zbigniew, apologies if I mispronounced that, Myra, Nara, Alan, Denise, Hunter, Brian, and everyone else. Guys, thank you so much for joining, and we cannot wait to trade with you. As a heads up to our members, we have a brand new future forecast coming out tomorrow, and this is going to be expanding on the April 11th future forecast. And if you haven't seen this yet, you need to watch it as soon as possible, because we're going to be covering if that was a previous low for altcoins or if there was more room to fall, the XRP signal that could send prices rocketing 700%. Could altcoin season really be starting this month, and should you keep buy limits open, or is it time to dump your cash in the market? I hope everyone is paying attention to this, guys. You need to watch it as soon as possible, especially if you are a new member here with Trade Confident. And if you'd like to join, links are in the description down below for 25% off your first month. I'll talk more about that later, but today we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus money flow, and trades in favor indicators. We've just received a sell signal, and most often this is going to be an ideal exit opportunity before a drop. So this is something we need to pay close attention to. And at the same time, price versus money flow is high, showing that whales have overbought and are likely to sell out of the market. When whale money moves into the market with this green line moving up, the price increases. When whale money moves out of the market with this line decreasing, the price decreases. It's as simple as that. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if this green line drops, I need our traders to be very careful and be ready for the price to fall as well. Interestingly, the trades in favor through all of this has stayed steady, around a 50% chance of a drop. This tells me that this is fairly linear movement. Most often, when looking for a drop, we want to see it in the short trade zone, meaning that upwards momentum has run out and we're likely to reject to the downside. And when looking to buy, we want to see the opposite in the long trade zone, meaning that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. However, it is a neutral signal, so it really could go either way, and this is why we're paying attention to our other sell signals, or bearish signals to be more exact, from our other two indicators, and this is why I think a drop is likely. Now, we've previously fallen out of this bear flag pattern. I think we can officially remove this. So let's get rid of these lines. Boom, 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 and boom, right. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. This one right here. Boom. What we're left with here is a falling wedge pattern. What I want to do now is actually increase the opacity so that we can see it a little bit more clearly. This pattern has become more prominent. A falling wedge pattern most often is going to be bullish and will typically send the price absolutely flying up to the highest point within the pattern, which happens to be the current all-time high of Bitcoin at $109,000. And while I'm not expecting that anytime soon, overall this is still bullish, not bearish. This is extremely bullish. We've gotten a breakout. We've had multiple candles open and close above the resistance line. So why isn't it pumping yet? Well, first off, whale money is high. Whales are likely selling out of the market. Second of all, most often what's going to happen is going to be a breakout and then a retest before another massive pump. Very normal, and in fact, it's actually what happened in the bear flag pattern. I wish I kept that up to show you, but bear flag pattern right here. It dropped, pumped, retested, and then crashed. Easy as that. That is a break and a retest, and that's going to happen very commonly in the crypto market. So with that, I think we could drop as far down as $80,000 to meet this previous structure support, a linear structure support that we had been testing and trading within for some time. This also intersects with previous resistance, now support on the falling wedge pattern. And from there, I think a move back up to $86,000 to $88,000 is possible. Overall, we are extremely bullish because we've got a bullish trifecta, or not quite yet, but very soon we'll have a bullish trifecta on the weekly time frame. I just realized we didn't talk about, oh, there it is. Yeah, we do have a bullish trifecta. That's what I thought. Let's talk about what a bullish trifecta is. It is the exact opposite of the signals we were seeing earlier. It constitutes a buy signal, which most often indicates ideal candle entries. It has price versus while money flow low, meaning whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in. And it has trades in favor low, ideally in the long trade zone, in this case with an 83% chance of a pump, and most often that's going to send the price flying. Guys, the last time we had this signal down here, let's check it out. From candle close to its top, Bitcoin pumped 88. Get out of here. Oh my goodness. Okay. It pumped 88%. Let's try that again. Just all the way to the top, 86, 88%. Major moves happened when we got a bullish trifecta on the weekly time frame. So this is why we're really excited. Heading back to the daily time frame, same thing. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor locally low. Saw moves up. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, moves up over and over again. Let's talk about how you can catch this next move up, catch this next entry opportunity, even if you're away from your devices. We're going to head to the alerts tab. We're going to click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and we're going to name it Bitcoin 1 day watch for pump. Click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it at a buy signal, once per bar close, and name it Bitcoin 1 day buy. Click create. And the last alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. Again, this time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and name it Bitcoin 1 day strong buy. Click create. And these 3 alerts are going to help you find that next bullish trifecta. Watch for pump alert. If it is sent to your device, it means trades in favor has closed in the long trade zone. Downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Buy or strong buy alert means a buy or strong buy signal has posted on your chart and you've likely found an ideal candle entry. If any of these 3 alerts show up, be sure to check your charts and see if you have or are at least close to creating that full bullish trifecta for the next potential pump to the upside. Now, as we get closer to this, I'll talk to you about how we manage our risk. This is the entry strategy that we've used, and it is about 78% accurate. With that, we've still won 284 successful trade calls with 0 losses, and that's due to our risk management. Again, I'll show you that when the time comes to make a potential entry. Until then, guys, I need you to sign up for our membership. On top of money-making benefits like the future forecast videos, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts, our members get access to these indicators for up to $550 off. And trust me, you need these on your chart. What you're going to do is head into the links in the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can enjoy 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. We're going to head to the indicator tab, and pro indicator pack is what you're looking for. Your first $150 off can be found with the coupon code at this link. From there, click pro indicator pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership over here for the next future forecast episode. Don't miss out.